What's going on, my healthy fruit and veggie lovers? This is Kuba from Sustainability Starts Within, and today I want to talk about something important that has been important on my journey and that could help you too in the raw vegan lifestyle and sustaining it. And it's a different approach than what we're maybe used to. Right now we're on day 13 of the End of May Raw Challenge, so it's about to end one more day. Tomorrow's the 31st and we will be done. So when it comes to a raw vegan diet, the science is very important and I don't want you to neglect it, and the research and all the information about the type of nutrients you need and all that. But I want to talk about a different approach, which is an intuitive approach. So it's using your intuition to know what to eat and what's best for you in any given moment. And when we tap into that, we can see that if we have a sweet craving, we'll want to eat fruit, sweet fruit. If we have a salty craving, that means we need herbs and celery and things that are more savory like that, but we can keep it all raw and alive. So nowadays, I don't really count my type of nutrition and exactly the amount of everything that I'm eating. I just eat what I feel like and I go by intuition. Now, this could be tricky at the beginning because at the beginning you might think, oh, I want to eat a burger because that's what I feel, so that's my intuition, right? Well, that's not really the case. So it takes a while of cleansing out the mucus and the old debris that craves that kind of stuff. And it takes time to get more intuitive with this approach. So me, it's been over 6 years, high fruit, high raw diet, lifestyle, and my intuition has improved a lot. And it's not even just in how to eat, but when you get connected with the living foods, you get connected with nature, it's a different whole perspective on life. It's a different feeling about life. You're less using your mind and you're more just like feeling things out. Because what happens is when we eat the plants, they have the sunlight energy, and in that the sunlight energy brings biophotons, which is kind of like a energy source for all life. So in everything there's biophotons that give life energy to be alive and to function on this planet. So the higher we have the biophotons, the more higher our intuition is, because the more connected we are to nature. So when we eat these plants alive, the biophotons are intact, but when you cook it, the plants lose the biophotons. So the fruits and the vegetables, if you eat them, you're eating sunlight energy. So if you look at, actually science talks about this, the megajoules in plants and in different foods, and when we eat the animals, the energy gets converted to a less degree, where meaning we get less of that energy, whereas if we ate directly from the plants, we would get that full amount of energy without it being converted through the cow or through the animal and being weakened along its way, especially when we cook it. So the more we eat these living plants, the more we raise our biophotons and the sunlight energy in us, and the more energized we are, and the more we realize that we're in tune with nature and we feel nature, and then we know what to eat, and we even know how to make better decisions because our intuition is up. So that's all I wanted to share. I'll definitely talk about that more because it's my passion, and this is just like a briefing intro, you could say, but I'm definitely down to dive into more details in future videos. So make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed on my YouTube, and check out my bio or else the description below for a link for a 7-day free video series that will help you take on this approach and live more intuitively and increase your fruits and vegetables and enjoy the process. It's free, comes with a menu plan and a recipe book. So check that out and have a blessed day. Much love.